to back my YouTube channel. English, how you can improve your English with me. Okay, my friends. I want you to share you. I want you to listen carefully. Can improve your English with me. Okay, my friends. To listen carefully. What I am going to share you. Yes, it could completely transform your journey. Struggling confidently and effortlessly. Yes, my friend, I understand. This is our second language, and learning English it's very difficult task. It's not our cup of tea. Confidently, my friend, you heard it right. I know some people, many of you hesitate in terms of speaking. Yes, I understand because it's our second language, and when it comes to speak, we get fumble a lot, mind goes blank, what to say and how to say. I understand. I completely agree with you because I am also there too. In my initial stage, I multiple of time used to get mistake. In my you are not alone, so don't worry about making mistake. I know maybe you have been learning this language 1 year, 2 years, but still you get mistake when it comes to speaking. You are not alone. Everyone has the same problem. Even everyone is going through this situation. You understand. Even you know the words, you are able to cooperate in your speaking English. You know the words and you are able to understand the grammar, read sentence structure. In terms of speaking, your mind goes freezes. Your mind are unable to produce word at the same time. Why your mind goes freezes while speaking? You are not used to speaking this particular language. I will tell you one method called self-talk. My friends, self-talk is the best, one of the best, and self-talk is one of the best way to improve your English. English without fear of being judgment, because there was yourself in English without the fear of being hesitation, fear of being judgment. I would say whenever you get free time, just grab this opportunity and utilize it very productive way. And so stand in front of a mirror and speak out loud. Whatever comes in your mind, you just speak out loud. Whether you are making mistake or wrong or right, there is no need to worry. You need to speak more and more. Making mistake is the part of learning English. So why you are worried of making mistake? So speak with the flow. Even if in your initial stage, I understand your mind goes blank, but you need to start with basic sentence structure. Like you start with your day, you have to say, I woke up today 6 a.m. Then I brush my teeth, then I take tea, then I breakfast, then I make breakfast, then I go to office, then I go to school. In this way, you have to speak in your initial stage, so that somehow you can use to this language, so that you can habitual to speak this language. Yes. Then you can do, ask your question yourself and answer in your own way with yourself. In this way, you will help you to incorporate sentence structure and pronounce as well. So yeah, you can do this way. I improve myself by doing these things. In your initial stage, you should watch simple cartoon and simple podcast so that you can grab, you can consume lots of content in your mind, in your subconscious mind. I also did in my initial stage, so you can also, you can do. Yes, my friend, this is what I wanted to share with you. I will meet you next